Hey guys,
Eh.
welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm gonna read a book about Clifford's hiccup. Clifford's hiccup. Okay, so let's start reading this book. Okay, so we're going to the first page. Okay. Clifford the Big Red Dog. Clifford's hiccups. Okay, let's turn the page, guys. Hiccups. Emily Ellery sat up in bed. What that sound, she wondered. Hiccup. Guys, this is. Whoa! So shiny white. Let me show you the big word now. Okay, let's turn the page. Hiccup. Up popped the teddy bear, up popped the doll, and up popped the enemy elephant. Clifford had the hiccups.
No, on va garder il fait prudent. A comment on dit qu'on complètement et comment ça il fait prudent.
That's the hiccups.
Okay,
we're going to turn to the page.
On peut la passer dans mi-temps.
Emily Ellery went down to breakfast.
That's for my daughter.
Hiccups. Popped it the bottles and cups. Up popped it the orange juice. Right into it. Maybe there's vet. Maybe the vet can help Clifford, said Miss Harwood. So guys, I'm gonna show you the picture. This is Mr. Howard, and this is Mrs. Howard. Okay, we're gonna turn the page. Wait, guys, I didn't show you the picture. I'm sorry, guys.
On a donné ma blondine pas de travail. Quand il y a la blondine de haut, là, était qu'on mettait mop dans la machine. Puis t'as été avec Kaimoun, là, était qu'on a Kaimoun.
Okay, we're gonna turn to the next page.
Qui ça? Bon, qui blondine? Qui ça blondine?
Dr.
La passe bon Jean Babé, qui sont peut-être pas.
Breathing.
Eh bien, c'est peut-être la passe Babé. Et pas bon Dieu, non. Marcher dans le monde, Haïti, marcher dans le gars où prend pour tester. C'est bon Dieu qui a fait travail. Pendant l'île dit que ça et barbecue avec mon cheveu là. Avec mon cheveu blondine.
Clifford just had a case of the hiccups. Dr. Dent said sooner or later they will go away. Outside the doctor's office, Clifford saw his friend T-Bone and Mac. Hic!
Eh bien, c'était ça, mon n'a pas jamais vu l'idée. C'était ça, on a fait, pas fait mentir pour l'occasion, on n'a pas jamais vu. Et quand les fleurs, j'ai une temps, il a fait tout ça.
Okay, we're gonna turn to the next page, guys.
Pourquoi j'ai une temps, il a fait ça? Oui. Allez, dis perfect qui vient t'en pour lui, mais ça vous dit.
I know how to make Clifford hiccups go away. T-Bone said to Mac, I give him a little scare.
Menti!
Boo!
Attention!
T-Bone shouted. Boo!
Attention la chatte. Oh, Shana, ok, bois de l'eau. Bois de l'eau.
Yeah,
Ah, bois de
baby.
l'eau.
This is the
Mais
blue
qui t'a
one.
pourquoi? 8h15.
But I read my book. The Clifford hiccups did not go away. Hiccups. Hiccups. Show you the first page. I'm going to show you the second page. I know how to make your hiccups go
Qui t'a
away, Mac.
dit?
Said to Clifford, follow me. Okay, we're going to turn the page, guys. And make sure to smash that like button and turn off the notifications so you didn't miss any video. And subscribe to my channel. So let's keep on going, guys. But Clifford hiccups did not go away. Hiccups. Wait, I'm sorry, guys. That was the first page. Mac led Clifford a kitty pool. A kitty. Shut your eyes and hold your ear. Then turn upside down and drink, said Mac. So Clifford shut his eyes, his ear, turn upside down, and drank when Boo! T-Bone jumped out of the pool. Oh, sorry guys, I was gonna show you the picture. Wait, let me show you the words, guys. They can't see it. Hey guys, they can't see it. I think it's on top. But Boo! T-Bone jumped out of the pool, and Clifford hiccup stopped. I did it, said T-Bone. I did it, said Mac. Okay, I think that's it. Let's go. Hiccups. T-Bone and Mac were very disappointed. We really wanted to help, said T-Bone, but you did it. You did help, said Clifford. You didn't make sure my hiccup got away, but I feel good, because you're trying so hard. Okay, 2 more pages left and then we'll finish. Just then Emily Ella Please came by. How are you? How are your hiccups? Everyone listen, then they listen some more. Clifford hiccups are finally gone. Wait, I always forgot. Just wait until the light's showing. Okay. Let's go. Turn up. Clifford hiccups were finally gone. Whoa, guys. Okay. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my channel. Is just remember This book is from Holy Cross. So, remember, Clifford's Hiccup.
Gaman tawa jwen moun mouke kwa zon.
So, bye guys. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed the story that I read, Clifford's Hiccups. And thank you for Mattel for playing this video. And